Ever seen a creator say, comment this word and I'll send you a link? So then you send it and boom, you instantly get a DM? Yeah, that's us, Manychat. And while you've definitely seen us in the wild, whether you remember it or not, we do so much more than just automating comments. So what is Manychat? Well, we're the ultimate tool for automating and optimizing your social media interactions. We help millions of creators and businesses in 170 plus countries turn passive followers into passionate money-spending fans. We work across all the big platforms: Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, TikTok. Wherever your audience is, we're there. Still talking to all your followers manually? It's not just exhausting, it's not as effective. According to this HubSpot report, most people expect you to answer within 30 minutes. Can a human being who's already creating a bunch of content, filming it, scripting it, posting it, even do that? With Manychat, yes. We allow you to set up custom automations that can answer all the questions and conversations that you've got coming in 24/7. Need to collect emails or phone numbers through messages? Done. Need to qualify people before spending time on a sales call? Boom. Want to send links that absolutely kill link in bio click rates? Use our auto reply that slides into their DM with a DM'd link. And the best part, there's no coding, no headaches, just a few clicks, drag, drop, and be done. This is what you see, and this is what they see. With Manychat, automation is winning over your audience while you're doing literally anything else. So that's our story. Click the link in the description and start converting your audience today.